This is Omron M4 Intelli IT device. I'm going to unbox the device as shown in the video. It's contained the ARM cup with a cable. This is the digital monitor. This is the pouch of the device, and this is the literature manual. Okay, all right, now we are going to see how to insert the batteries to the device. Okay, this is just a normal batteries which is available very easily accessible everywhere. Here we have to insert the batteries as usual, and we have to focus on the plus and minus indicators. The device is specified for 2 persons, which can be used more than one. These are just the indicators for the times and for the dead. It contains a Bluetooth sign, so you can pair the device to the smartphone. Its uses or its operating as usual as other Omron devices. If you have any queries and any... Alright, here we have to assemble the device to connect to the ARM cup and to connect to the mobile by Bluetooth. So we must have an application from the App Store or the Play Store regarding the Omron device. So once we open the Play Store, it will give a list for the different devices of Omron. Okay, here is a list and the application where we have to select the proper device by the name to connect the device to the smartphone by Bluetooth. As shown in the video, we can select the specific device, then we can press OK and go next for the pairing. This is the Bluetooth sign on the monitor. We have to press until appear the P. It's going to pair the device to the smartphone. It's a simple setting. By proceeding further, we will get connected to the smartphone. Okay, mostly this device is used more than one person. There we have to select one or for the other one. Now the device is paired. This pairing of the monitor to the mobile is to get the data and mobile, and you can view and you can monitor and you can show to your physician or your GP where you can get your result for further assessment. It's quite easy. This is just selection of time and date by pressing the arrows button to the right or to the left. Alright, here we are going to check the blood pressure. Here we have to tighten the arm cup by the same way as appear in the video. The connector should be on the same line to the digital monitor as shown in the video. Okay, the distance between the cup and the elbow should be minimum 2 centimeters. And the hand should be on the straightened position, and the person who are going to check the blood pressure should be on the rest pads, should be sitting on a chair with the rest pads. Okay, here we will have to select the start button. The device will count the measurement of blood pressure. Within few seconds we will get the result. This This is the result, which contains the systolic blood pressure, the diastolic, and at the last is shown as 98. It should be the pulse rate. The device will detect any moment, and even if the person is not in the stable position, it will give an error. I will give a wrong result. So it's most compulsory the person should be on stable position without any moment. Then we can remove the cup, and then we can get our result in our mobile or smartphone, which can be used for the further assessment. It's quite easy way, and it's quite easy how to check the blood pressure in your home. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully it will give you good information. I will most welcome your appreciation and feedback. Thank you very much.